In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to find percents. And I'm going to teach you two methods to solve this problem. So if we have a problem like this that says find the percent that makes the statement true, and we have a box with a percent of 60 equals 42. So what percent of $60 equals $42? So this is a good real life problem that you might have to do in real life. So first method we're going to use a proportion to find the answer. So we know that the part over the whole equals the percent over 100. Remember, a percent is one part out of 100. So we're trying to find the percent out of 100 for this number. Okay, so the whole is 60. This is the whole amount, $60, and the part that we're trying to find that it equals is 42. So we put that into this equation. So the part $42 over $60 equals percent over 100. And we're trying to solve here for percent. Solve for the unknown percent. So now we multiply both sides by 100 to get percent on its own. That's what we need to do. We want to undo the division of 100 here. And to undo that, we do the opposite of division, which is multiply by 100. Okay? So now these cancel out, and we're left with percent on its own, and we're left with 4,200 over 60. So this is easy to do. We have 100 here, 42, and then you just add two zeros, and that's the number that it becomes. This is what we're left with. So now, when you calculate that, percent equals 70%. 4,200 over 60 equals 70%. Now let's use another method. Let's use an equation to do the problem. So the part equals percentage of the whole. So let's plug in the numbers that we know. We know the part is 42. The percentage is a percent over 100, and the whole is 60. We know that, right? And we always know of means times. So to isolate percent, divide both sides by 60. So we're trying to undo this multiplication of 60 here. Okay, so that's why we're doing divide by 60 on both sides. So those cancel each other out, and we're left with percent over 100 equals 42 over 60. So now we isolate percent by multiplying both sides by 100. Okay, just like we did before. So we want to undo this division of 100, and the undoing of that is multiplying by 100. And we do that to both sides. Okay, so the hundreds cancel out, and we're just left with percent. Percent equals 4,200 over 60. That's what this equals. And look, it's exactly the same as this. So we know that percent equals 70% when we calculate this out. And that's all there is to that, finding percents. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you will find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.